Welcome to this explainer. For most of the 20th century, biology textbooks had a really uncomfortable question they just refused to ask. Can a parent's experience of the environment be directly passed down to its offspring?
To really get this, we have to look back at the historical context. As 20th century genetics solidified, it cleaned up a lot of confusion by assuming all inheritance was strictly DNA-based. But that kind of ignored a massive real-world anomaly. For decades, farmers and plant breeders noticed something out in the fields that just didn't fit the textbook narrative. Seeds harvested from mother plants grown in different conditions simply didn't behave identically, even when their genetics were an exact match. Seeds from a cool autumn germinated differently than seeds from a warm one. They carried this distinct vigor or a depth of dormancy that just couldn't be explained by genes alone. The older plant breeders used to shrug and just say, "Well, mother knows best."
Now, in the academic world, maternal effects was the polite scientific term for this, but it kind of sat on an uncomfortable shelf in mainstream biology. Why? Because while the observation was very real, they literally had no proven molecular mechanism for it. Without a clear pathway showing how this happened, it was treated as an interesting quirk, but not something a serious researcher could easily build a career on. That is, until very recently. That missing mechanism was finally found in a massive breakthrough published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in early 2026. Researchers Zhao Xiao Chen and colleagues at the Innes Centre and the Earlham Institute used the model plant Arabidopsis thaliana. By leveraging some incredibly advanced spatial analysis and looking closely at individual cells, they did something truly unprecedented. They were able to literally watch a mother plant sense the temperature and physically write that climate data into her developing seeds via a hormonal message.